back to my channel. Today we'll be learning how to make bread pizza. It's very easy and we can finish. If you want to make it, you can make it within 10 to 25 minutes. So let's see how to make it. Now we'll put ketchup on ketchup nicely. You need to spread this ketchup. You can use a knife too. So after we spread this, we will need first we need two tomatoes. Then we will need capsicums. And over here. And after that we will need some onions. And after this we will need a cheese. I grated the cheese. I'm going to add a little more to this. And after that we will need to take 4 olives. And now we just put it on the pan. Now I put it on the pan. We have to let the cheese to melt. So if you want, you can take a plate and you can put it over it so that it can be like a lid.
One eternity later.
Now the final ingredient is to put oregano. If you want, chili flakes is optional. Now we can cut this. See guys how nicely it has come out. So it's very easy and you can make it anytime, anywhere.